Y'all know who I am. Don't piss me off this morning.
Listen, I'm not trying to piss you off, but you're not free to leave.
Who the f are you?
I'm the
police department. I'm not free to leave.
Hey, you're not free to leave.
Who the f are you to tell
Light
me I'm
his
not
ass
free to leave,
up.
I'm
Period.
telling you, you're not free to leave. Stop.
Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy, Foosh Nigga. We are back with another banger reaction video. It is Friday Eve. It is Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Some of you guys Friday started today because the weather's about to be crazy in your area. I know it's about to go down in Dallas. I got a homeboy that lives down in Dallas and Houston type. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, they still they going to the stores, grabbing everything out that joint. They getting over to Lowe's and going to get the things to cover up the pipes so the pipes don't freeze. So if you ain't did that, make sure your pipes don't freeze, because when you come out of this thing, the last thing you want to deal with is frozen piperies, and then you gotta go get something like that fixed. That's a bag, okay? So make sure you go do that along with going to get all your food and water. If you're stuck in the house for a couple days, make sure you cover them pipe where you plug your water hose up. Get that little cover, put it over there on front and the back. I'm just saying, a little friendly reminder if you ain't did it already. I know you know what you're doing already. You feel me? But we about to tap into the video. Enormous bully meets karma after harassing employee. Okay, but I love a good bully. We like to stick up for the people that get bullied. You know, we like to knuckle up. You feel me? So I'm with it. Before we get into that though, we got to check on our people's meepers. I told you we ain't gonna waste no time. We get into it. We putting the videos out for our people that's stuck in the house. You know what I'm saying? And for our late night workers. Basically for everybody, but really for the late night workers and the people that's stuck in the house, which probably is a lot of people. You feel me? So make sure you get down in the comment section and let us know how you feeling, 1 through 10, how you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. We're going to knock these videos up and we're going to have fun doing it. We're going to laugh and we're going to enjoy our time together, because you can't get rid of me and I can't get rid of you. I kind of like it that way. Kind of psychosomatic type. You know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and tap to the video. 30,000 views, 10,000 likes, 700 shares. And we watch ads too, baby. You know what I'm saying? We got to get paid type, don't we? A little bit. Shit. Somebody got to work. Y'all ain't working. I got to work. I'm just saying. You know I love y'all.
On December 2nd, 2025, officers were dispatched to a gas station in response to a report of a man shoplifting, damaging the store, threatening the clerk, and throwing objects at the clerk.
I'm sorry. I'm just getting here. I don't really.
I went into the gas station and did what I had to do, okay?
Okay. And what was that?
It's no problem. There is no problem.
Okay. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. She said that you were in there and
I went into the gas station and did what I had to do. That's what I mean.
Okay.
So why are you talking to me?
What does that mean, sir?
What's going on?
I just told you.
You possibly stole something, so that's why I'm
asking. I did
asking.
what I had to do, okay?
What does that mean, though? Like, would she
It
not?
means I went and got what I had to get, okay? Stop questioning me. You're pissing me off like her, okay?
I'm not trying to piss you off.
You are, okay?
All right. Well, what did you take?
Sir, you not Debo. You see this taser I got right here? Keep acting big and bad and bold and enormous type, and I'm gonna put you down on the ground in the snow and make you a real snowman. Cut it out. You not bad, sir. Put 50,000 votes all in your fundio. All right, we gonna play that game. You wanna act tough? All right, bet.
You see what I'm smoking, don't you?
Okay, just a cigar?
I'm not going there. I'm not paying for shit. Y'all know what this shit is, okay?
I don't.
Stop pissing me off, bro.
I'm not trying to piss you off.
Stop pissing me off. You and whoever. Stop it.
Okay. No, you're not leaving.
Okay. Why am I leaving?
Because
I'm leaving.
You're not leaving because she said she wants to sign complaints. So you're not leaving.
Let the complaints in.
Send me one
I
more.
just told you what I did and what's going on.
Okay, well,
don't piss
then
me
you gotta
off right
hang
now,
out
bro.
for 1 second.
Don't piss me off.
You took a cigar.
Don't
It's not that big
piss
of a
me
deal.
off, bro.
Why are you so pissed off?
Because she just pissed me off and now y'all come and questioning me.
Why did she piss you off?
Sweet. I go in there and steal as I need to, mother. You get that?
Okay, well, you realize you can't do
Well,
that.
shit!
That's what I'm asking you.
I'm trying to get it.
Okay, well, do you understand it? Why are you in my face?
I'm not sure I understand. I'm not sure I understand why you're stealing stuff. Okay, well, you're not free to leave right now.
I'll
You're
steal
being
as
free
me.
right now.
Okay.
No, you're not.
Okay, I am finna leave.
No,
right
you're
now.
not. Do not make a big deal out of this.
What do you mean I'm gonna big deal out of this, dude?
You took a cigar. That's a misdemeanor. It's not a big
I'm
deal.
not paying for shit, bro.
I'm not saying you have to pay for shit, but you gotta hang out till we figure out what's going on.
Where you getting at?
I'm getting at you took a cigar. They said you took something.
No,
That's a theft.
They didn't
you
say
can't
I
just
took
walk
nothing. I said I took something.
Did you pay?
I told you I
Did you
took
pay
something.
for it?
No, and I'm not going to. I'm not
Well,
going
you
to.
can't just walk out with something you didn't
How much
pay
you want to
for.
bet I do it all the time? Look here, man.
well,
Look
it's
here.
not allowed.
Look here. Y'all know who I am. Don't piss me off this morning.
I do know who you are.
Don't
And I'm leaving right now.
this morning, bro. Don't piss me off this morning, okay? I'm not in the mood. Y'all know who I am. Don't piss me off this morning.
Listen, I'm not trying to piss you off, but you're not free to leave.
Who the are you?
I'm the police
telling me I'm
department.
not free to
Hey,
leave?
you're not free to leave.
Who the are you to tell
Light
me I'm
his
not
ass
free to leave,
up.
I'm telling you,
Period.
you're not free to leave. Stop. Hey,
dude? Look here.
you're
I
not free to
mean,
leave.
come on, bro.
Y'all about to piss
Okay,
me off,
are they
okay?
signing complaints? Because we're gonna fight.
Y'all finna piss me off.
We gonna
this morning.
fight.
We're not trying to piss you off, but
Y'all
we gotta.
know who- look
just
here.
like you said, you gotta deal with what you gotta deal with. We gotta deal with what we gotta deal with.
Yeah, and that's getting the on my face, dude.
Okay.
Y'all know what this shit is. That's getting
Listen,
the on my face.
that's not
All
how this
three
works.
of y'all. That's getting the out my face.
Listen, we're trying to work with you. Okay, I know
with
you're
me how?
upset.
Work
I
with me
know
how?
that you're upset.
Work with me how? With some stupid ass pointing and laughing
We're
shit,
trying
dude.
to avoid you making a bigger mistake than you've already made.
A bigger
You
mistake.
took a cigar. It's not that big of a deal,
Okay,
right?
okay, so what do y'all
But
suggest?
you can't just
what do y'all
walk off
suggest-
and leave.
I can, actually.
If
what
they, if
what
they
do y'all
want,
suggest I do?
if they say that you
What
have
do
to
y'all
pay for
suggest I do?
it, and they want to sign complaints
No,
for
no, shut the
misdemeanor
hell up.
theft,
What do y'all suggest I do? Okay.
just hang out till we can get a citation issued. It's a misdemeanor theft. It's not that big of a deal. He issues you a citation. You don't even have to go into the station.
Oh, I'm not going to no station.
Well,
What do you mean?
then we don't have a problem.
Like y'all don't know who. Like y'all don't know what the shit is, man.
He's got to type up some paperwork. We got to identify you, and we give you a court date. You walk away.
I'm telling you now. I'm not going to court. Okay. There will be.
Well, then if you
give me
don't
a
go
court
to
date,
if you
it will
don't
be
go to
torn
court,
up and thrown
then
in the
they'll deal
garbage.
with that.
I'm tearing the shit up and I'm throwing it in the garbage. Okay.
That's your decision.
So type the shit up. Type the shit
Okay,
up.
we're gonna work on it. The officer's over there. He's figuring out exactly what you took,
Okay.
and then
Make
we'll
it
go
quick.
from there.
Make the shit
He's
quick.
making it as quick as
Make
he
this
can.
shit quick and I'm not
He's
kidding.
making it as quick as he can.
And what's that gonna be? What? 10 minutes?
Maybe 10 minutes. I can't make you any promises for how long it's gonna be.
No, you is not Suge Knight, sir.
Just like you
And you not in jail right now. And you don't run shit in
You got
the...
an ID on you?
No.
Okay. I know we've dealt with you before, but I don't remember
Yeah,
your
I'm sure y'all
information.
had it. And I'm sure y'all know about me. Do y'all know about me?
I don't
What's
personally.
my last name? What's my first name?
I don't know your first name
Don't
or your
lie to
last
me, man.
name.
What's my first name?
I don't know.
What's my first name, sir?
I recognize your face. I know that we've dealt with you. I know you live in Prentice.
What's my real first name?
Don't know.
Don't lie to me, man.
I don't know.
We've dealt with you before. I wasn't a reporting officer, so I don't know your full name.
What's your first name?
He just told you.
Darius?
Darius. Yeah, Darius.
Okay.
So what you saying was
I
your
don't
real
know.
name?
Listen, I've never personally dealt with you. I know you live in Prentice. Okay, I'm just trying to avoid an issue here. Fair enough?
Look, man, I'm not trying to nobody up this morning, okay? Hurry this shit up, man. Hurry this shit
We're
up.
going as quick
I'm
as
not
we can.
hurry this shit up, man. Hurry it up.
This
Okay?
is insane. This
Y'all
is
know,
insane.
your last
I know
name?
who I am. Y'all know what I'm about. Don't fucking play with me this morning.
I got it. What's your last name?
I don't have a last name. Christ. Christ is my last name.
Darius Christ?
Yes, that's my last name.
That's
Yes.
your real last name.
That's my last
Officer.
name.
If we
Yes.
run it, we're going to get that back.
I don't give a fuck what y'all run. I told you my last name, okay?
There's no reason with them. It's either we end up fighting with them,
I know.
we write them a local ordinance to get dropped in his mailbox.
206.
I was gonna try to run.
We try and sound X a Darius Christ. What's your date of birth, bro?
I don't have one.
Listen, man, the longer we do this, the longer this takes. I want to get you out of here,
December
just like you
25th.
said. September 25th of what year?
December 25th.
December 25th. Of what year?
Year one. Year one. December 25th, year one.
Officer, come on! He said his name was Darius Christ. You don't get the Christ reference, December 25th. Of course you're going to say the first day of it whenever the earth was born. Or came, you know what I'm saying? Like, he's going to play the game, and you're going to play it with him. Like, we don't got time for this. You let him control the situation, and you got 3 of y'all here, and y'all going to let this man act like he's the bully. And I see 1 taser, 2 taser, 3 taser, more. 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 gun, more. And he's in control of the situation? I'm confused. But he sure thinks he is, and I mean, like, shit, I mean, looking like he is the way y'all saying, hey, we're just not trying to be, come on, man, we're just trying to get you up out of here. Like, if y'all don't put him through that motherfucking brick wall and make him a snowman. And he just gonna walk off like, I might need
Y'all
you.
wanna
Back
do a
up.
good
Get
deed
your
after
ass
this?
over here.
Get that fire. Y'all gonna pay for it. Trust me. Y'all gonna pay for it. What?
Why are you so upset?
Why are y'all so upset this morning? Is the question. I'm minding my business, doing what I'm supposed. I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay. I'm
Stealing.
doing what I'm supposed to be doing.
What's the value?
What y'all believe in? None of
She
that
said like
shit.
35.
I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, and y'all pissing me off. And y'all bothering me.
He's like, damn it, we gotta
Yeah.
fight. We gotta knuckle
Yeah,
up.
that's what I said.
This
Y'all
big
bothering
motherfucker,
me.
we gotta take him down. But you got a taser. Use that.
Yeah. Y'all bothering me. Yeah. Okay. Who got some sense over here?
Well, I just talked to I just talked to the lady at the gas station.
I went in there and I manhandled her and I stole a cigar. That's what happened.
Why
Point
you
blank,
stealing?
period.
Why you stealing?
I mean,
Because I won. Because that's what I'm supposed to be doing. That's what I'm supposed to be doing.
I don't follow. Like
Oh, I know you don't follow, but that's what I'm supposed to be doing.
stealing?
So I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, and y'all are bothering me. Okay?
Okay, well, I mean, if you're not supposed to steal, right?
Okay, who got some sense over here? Who got some sense?
not
Does
you.
that not make sense?
Not you.
So she said she refused to sell you a pack of
got it,
Newports,
it's
so
trying
you
to
stole some
have-
cigars and a couple lighters. And what's the deal with throwing stuff around? Does she want to sell you a product? Okay.
I'm mad. She's irritating me. She's pissing me off, just like y'all are pissing me off. Okay. But you know, it is what it is. What have to happen is have to happen. I'm not no playing movie right now. Okay.
I'm not trying to play with you. I'm trying to be dead serious.
I'm trying to be dead serious.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
All right. So who writing the paper? Man, it's cold out here. I don't got all day.
Hey, one from
finna leave
6.
now.
Do you remember the name of the subject that Pastrana was
just
dealing
walk
with over
away
the
and
broken
leave now.
windows?
Oh, no, it's too
Darius
late for that.
something?
Now y'all want to be funny and shit.
Listen, we're trying to get you out of here as quickly as we can, right?
Okay.
We gotta do what we gotta do, just like you did what you had to do.
I told you from the get-go.
Yeah,
Cold out here.
I agree. I don't want to be out here either.
I'm not finna play with y'all.
I hear you.
Now, who did something wrong? Me or y'all?
Well,
Who did something wrong?
you
Me
stole
or
something
y'all?
from the store.
Who did something wrong? Me or y'all?
You did something wrong.
No, y'all.
If you
did
want a
something
straight up
wrong.
answer,
Y'all did something
what did we do wrong?
Y'all stop me and talk to me, and y'all think about me every day, and y'all know who the I am.
Listen,
Don't lie to me.
I don't know who you are. That's what
Don't
we're trying to
fucking lie
figure
me, bro.
out. If we
Don't
could figure
lie
out
to
who
me,
you
okay?
were, then we could fill out the paperwork.
You said what?
If we could figure out who you are, we could just fill out the paperwork. Well, you're not giving me your real last name. I know your last name's not Christ, and I know your birthday's not
sure about
December 25th of the first year. First year of what? 2001?
On the first year of existence. I'm not gonna play with y'all, dude. And I'm not
trying to play with
and
you
I'm not
either.
about to say who I am because I know that y'all know already. Okay?
I know that you were dealing with Officer Pastrana.
I don't know
Officer
him, but I
Pastrana,
will know
over
him.
the broken
I
window
will
truck
know him.
thing?
I will know him, but who the f*** is?
I remember that you smashed up some window on a box
right, I
truck.
smashed it
Right,
up.
I remember
That's right, I
that.
smashed
I don't remember your name though. I wasn't the one who handled
You
the
don't even want to.
but I remember you from that.
So that's another lie. You don't remember my name. You don't
I don't remember my name,
Police
dude.
remember everybody that's a threat, that y'all call as a threat, that's black over here, but y'all don't remember my name. That's another lie. Okay, what else you don't remember?
I don't remember your name. I'm sorry.
Now, I'm going to give y'all a fair warning. I'm not no nice man, bro. So next time y'all want to do some funny shit, bro, I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now, bro. I'm really not no nice. I'm not no nice man, bro.
Okay, that's fine.
Quit pissing me off this morning.
We're not trying to piss you off.
Too much yapping, not enough zapping. Like, I mean, what are we doing
I
here?
specifically waited to see would y'all show up, and y'all showed up on some stupidity.
Well, I appreciate you waiting around.
You say what?
I appreciate you waiting around for us then.
Alright, bro, you got a warrant, so we're here to come and do paperwork, right?
Dude, stop! Bro, you're gonna get fighting.
If y'all don't break that damn taser out, y'all want to fight in the snow.
Put your hands behind your
Fighting. We're fighting.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Let's grab a coffee.
I told you it was gonna make you a snowman. It took forever to do it.
You're under arrest for obstruction of ID and retail theft.
You talked all that shit, and you ain't shit. Goofball. A bald head man in the snow. That's all you are right now, you dummy. Look at you.
You right?
I'm not a nice man. Shut up.
You good?
It's always the biggest talker that really ain't about shit.
Lines. Throw them in lines.
The man was charged with retail theft, battery, disorderly conduct, obstructing identification, resisting arrest, and 2 counts of criminal damage to property.
Dumb. All that yapping for that? I mean, all that back and forth for that? For y'all to sit there and let him talk the shit, and for him to be the biggest goofball, enormous for what? You big for nothing. My grandma said, "What, you just big for nothing? You act like you was the Hulk about to go through a brick wall. Like, sir, you went down with one knee to the thigh." I'm very disappointed in you because you were talking that talk, sir. That's like going to a woman and you know what you did? It's like going to a woman and tell, "Yeah, baby, I'm about to give you this. I'm about to go deep up in you. I'm about to do that." And then they get there and as soon as they about to put it in, they already came. Pre-cum type. That's what you really just did right now. You ain't worth shit. Not even being a criminal, you goofball. You just went up there and harassed that damn woman because she was a woman, but you really can't get down with the men. Tap down in the comment section. I can't stand a motherfucker to do the talking but can't do the fucking walking. It's the